Is it the right time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we will be taking an in-depth look at Palantir. We previously released a report on our website on Friday, February 16, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of February 9, 2024, our system has identified Palantir as a buy candidate with a score of 1.03. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 0.25%. This means it has generated an average return of 0.04% per day since it was labeled as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in an upward trend, but it is important to note that it is in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $25.45, it may indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 9.78% change over the next 3 months. However, it is important to consider that the possible return falls within a range of -23.38% to 14.30%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant 94.67% change over the next year. This could result in a potential return between 32.9% and 102.8%, which translates to a price range of $32.48 to $49.56 after 1 year. Our latest update on Palantir brings you the headline, "Red Day on Friday for Palantir stock after losing 3.82%. On the last trading day, which was Friday, February 16, 2024, the Palantir stock price fell by 3.82%, dropping from $25.41 to $24.44. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 4.53%, moving from a low of $24.39 to a high of $25.50. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen on 6 occasions and has shown a positive growth of 43.6% over the past 2 weeks. However, volume has increased by 991,000 shares on the last day, indicating a potential early warning sign as prices fell. This may lead to a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately 65 million shares were bought and sold, totaling around $1.58 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we can see that the highest price reached was $25.53, while the lowest price was $7.19. Currently, the price is 4.25% or $1.09 below the 52-week high and 45.69% or $20.56 below the all-time high on January 27, 2021, when the price reached $45. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, February 6, 2024, Mizuho Securities gave PLTR a neutral grade with a hold action. On the same day, William Blair rated PLTR as underperform with a hold action. Wedbush also provided their rating, giving PLTR an outperform grade with a hold action. Jefferies ranked PLTR with a hold grade and an upgrade action. Lastly, Raymond James gave PLTR an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have rated Palantir stock as a strong buy, with a strong buy rating for the PE ratio and price to book. Additionally, the stock has been given a buy rating for return on investment by analysts. Let's analyze the signals for Palantir's stock. Currently, the short-term moving average suggests a sell signal, while the long-term average indicates a buy signal. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this gives a positive forecast for the stock, implying a general buy signal. If the stock continues to rise, it will face resistance from the short-term moving average around $24.71. Conversely, if it falls, there is support from the long-term average at approximately $18.63. A break above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average would signal a sell. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, indicates a buy signal. However, there have been some negative signals that may impact the near-term development of the stock. On Thursday, February 15, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -3.82% so far. It is expected to fall further until a new bottom pivot is discovered. It's worth noting that volume increased as prices fell yesterday, which could be an early warning and suggests the need for closer monitoring of the stock. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, we have a buy signal. Pivots, we had a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, we had a buy signal 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, we had a sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, we had a buy signal 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages gave us a buy signal 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following signals. Short moving average, we had a buy signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, we had a buy signal 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages gave us a buy signal 8 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. Palantir, a company in focus, has found support from accumulated volume at $24.38. This support level presents a potential buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when it's tested. It's important to note that this stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. The Bollinger Band also suggests a wide prediction interval, classifying this stock as very high risk. In the past day alone, Palantir moved $1.11 between its highest and lowest points, amounting to 4.53% of its value. Looking at the previous week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 5.56%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Palantir, let's quickly review some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings and is a key indicator of valuation. Palantir's PE ratio is quite high, which suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for tech companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for May 13, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share stand at $0.0800. It's crucial to keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Let's now dive into some potential day trading levels for Palantir. If Palantir is experiencing an upward trend, we can identify the first resistance level at $24.51. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering an entry. For those who already hold the stock, this level could be worth considering for swing trading opportunities. On the other hand, if Palantir is facing a downward movement, it will encounter its initial support level at $24.38. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Palantir from multiple analyst sources is buy. Let's delve into some recent insider trades. On February 9, 2024, Stat Lauren Elena Friedman conducted an insider sell of 5,000 shares of Class A common stock. On February 8, 2024, Sankar Sham conducted an insider buy of 418,936 shares of Class B common stock. On February 9, 2024, Sankar Sham conducted an insider buy of 89,184 shares of Class B common stock. On February 12, 2024, Sankar Sham conducted an insider buy of 29,168 shares of Class B common stock. On February 12, 2024, Sankar Sham conducted an insider sell of 29,168 shares of Class B common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -25.857. Overall, insiders purchased 7,134,469 shares and sold 12,162,946 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $23.48, reflecting a decrease of 3.93%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, posing a high level of risk. The RSI 14 indicator currently stands at 76, which further amplifies the risk involved. Additionally, a sell signal has been identified from a pivot top detected just 1 day ago. Is Palantir stock a good buy? Our analysis indicates positive short-term signals and a favorable overall trend, suggesting a potential buying opportunity at the current level. Additionally, our systems show that the current price is undervalued based on recent volatility and movements. Looking ahead to Tuesday, February 20th, we anticipate Palantir to open up $0.335 and commence trading at $24.78. Before we start, it's crucial to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. It's essential not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing the provided information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view on the stock. We value your opinion, so make sure to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious to know your target for the stock. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Regards from the Stock Invest team.